In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove ChatGPT access from Gmail. If you previously connected a ChatGPT tool, Gmail extension, or any third-party app to your Google account and now want to disconnect it, this process is usually very quick. The key thing to understand is that you're not changing Gmail itself. Instead, you're removing the permission that allowed that app or extension to interact with your Google account. To get started, open your Google account settings. You can do this by going to your Google account page while signed in. Once you're there, look for the security section. This is where Google keeps the settings related to sign-in protection, connected devices, and apps that have access to your account. Inside the security section, find the area for third-party apps or connections. Depending on how Google displays it, the wording may be slightly different, but you're looking for the place where external apps, websites, or browser tools are listed. This section shows services that have been granted some level of access to your Google account. Now look through that list and find the ChatGPT for Gmail connection or the Gmail extension you previously linked. If you connected a browser extension, it may appear under a slightly different name than you expect, so take a moment to read carefully. The goal is to identify the app or extension that currently has access to Gmail-related permissions. Once you find it, click on the app or extension name to open its details. This page will usually show what type of access it has and when it was connected. Review it briefly just to make sure you're removing the correct item. Next, select Remove Access. Google may ask you to confirm this action, which is normal. Go ahead and confirm the removal. This immediately revokes that app's ability to continue using the permissions it had through your Google account. After that, it's a good idea to check Gmail again and make sure the ChatGPT add-on is no longer connected. You might refresh Gmail, reopen the extension area, or verify that any related integration is no longer active. If everything was removed correctly, the connection should no longer be available. That's all it takes. Disconnecting third-party access is a simple but important step if you want more control over your privacy and account security.